Are you tired of yucky yellow headlights making it impossible to see at night and just making your car look like trash? Do other headlight bulb companies make it hard to install because they have wires and capacitors and resistors and it's no bueno? Well, today we have a solution from AUTOONE. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we're working with AUTOONE because they are a true plug and play, no BS company when it comes to LED lights and other solutions in that realm.
I'm running them on the Fit. I'm running them on this car already. But for these new lights, they sent me new bulbs, so we're gonna throw these ones in, and these will make the projectors on this thing shine like no other. No pun intended, kind of intended. Now, the nice thing about AUTOONE headlights is besides their super nice packaging and feels very premium, they are complete plug and play lights, as in everything is in here, and you don't need to have any other wires, resistors, capacitors, or anything. They just plug in exactly where your old ones went. They're already cool, they have fans built in, and they're super bright. And I don't know what the lumens are, but we're just gonna say that they're light.
When I say these things are easy to install, this is what I mean. This is all it is. There's no wires, there's no plugs, except for the plug that goes into your harness. And let me show you how easy it is to install this. In less than 30 seconds, your lumens just exploded. This is so much better. It's safer, you can see, it's brighter. It makes your car look so much better. Just look at these headlights now. They look so good. And guys, use my code TTRGarage and you will get, I think it's 15% off, which already good high quality bulbs. I have these bulbs in all my cars and they last for years and years and years. So you really can't go wrong with these. So pick them up and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.